Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can access all text correction features on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Now you need to tap on Samsung keyboard settings, and as you can see, some text correction options are over here. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, just tap on the switcher next to the chosen one, or click on it and tap on the switcher over here. But you can also click on more typing options and adjust all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!